Imagine planting something in your backyard, then waking up the next morning to find it noticeably taller than it was the day before. It may sound impossible, but for bamboo, that's simply another day of growing. Meet bamboo, a group of perennial evergreen plants belonging to the family Poaceae, the grass family. Although many people think bamboo is a tree, it is actually the largest grass on Earth. There are more than 1,600 known species, spread across over 120 genera, with species such as Phylostachys edulis, commonly known as Moso bamboo, being among the most famous. Bamboo grows naturally across Asia, Africa, Australia, and the Americas, thriving in everything from tropical rainforests to cool mountain regions. Today, it is cultivated around the world for construction, agriculture, furniture, paper production, food, and environmental conservation. Few plants have influenced human civilization quite like bamboo. Its incredible speed of growth, remarkable strength, and endless versatility have earned it a reputation as one of nature's greatest engineering marvels. At first glance, bamboo resembles a forest of tall, perfectly straight green poles. Its hollow stems, known as culms, are divided by distinctive joints called nodes, giving bamboo its instantly recognizable appearance. Depending on the species, these culms can be as thin as a pencil or over 30 centimeters in diameter. Some bamboo species grow just a few centimeters tall, while giant tropical varieties can soar over 35 meters into the sky. Graceful, narrow leaves emerge from the upper branches, creating soft, flowing canopies that sway gently with even the lightest breeze. Despite looking solid, bamboo stems are both lightweight and incredibly strong, a rare combination that makes them one of nature's most efficient building materials. Bamboo is remarkably adaptable. Most species thrive in warm, humid climates with plenty of rainfall, although many varieties tolerate surprisingly cold winters. They grow best in fertile, well-draining soil and enjoy full sun or partial shade depending on the species. One of bamboo's greatest strengths lies beneath the ground. Instead of relying on a single trunk, bamboo spreads through underground stems called rhizomes, allowing entire groves to expand naturally over time. Once established, many species require very little maintenance and can recover quickly after being cut. Given enough water, sunlight, and space, bamboo rewards growers with astonishingly rapid growth. Very few plants are as useful as bamboo. For thousands of years, it has been used to build homes, bridges, scaffolding, fences, furniture, baskets, tools, musical instruments, and even water pipes. Its fibers are transformed into paper, textiles, flooring, and engineered building materials. Young bamboo shoots are harvested as a nutritious vegetable enjoyed across many Asian cuisines. Bamboo also plays an important environmental role. Its extensive root systems help prevent soil erosion, while its fast growth allows it to absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Today, bamboo is increasingly viewed as a sustainable alternative to timber and plastic, offering renewable solutions for a growing world. It's difficult to find another plant that serves humanity in so many different ways. Bamboo has been intertwined with human history for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations across China, Japan, India, and Southeast Asia relied on bamboo long before modern construction materials existed. Homes, boats, ladders, farming tools, baskets, writing brushes, musical instruments, and even early books were all crafted from bamboo. Before paper became widespread, thin strips of bamboo served as one of China's earliest writing materials. In many Asian cultures, bamboo symbolizes resilience, humility, prosperity, and longevity. Its ability to bend during powerful storms without breaking has made it a lasting symbol of inner strength and adaptability. Even today, bamboo remains deeply woven into daily life across much of Asia, connecting modern society with traditions that stretch back thousands of years. Bamboo is famous for breaking records. Some species can grow nearly 1 meter in just 24 hours, making bamboo the fastest growing plant on Earth. Despite reaching the size of a tree, bamboo is actually a grass. Many species flower only once every several decades, and some bloom just once every 100 years or more before producing seeds. Remarkably, entire populations of the same species often flower simultaneously, even when growing on different continents. Bamboo is also stronger than many people realize. Its tensile strength rivals steel in certain applications, while remaining lightweight and flexible enough to withstand earthquakes and strong winds. Nature has engineered bamboo with extraordinary efficiency. Growing bamboo is relatively simple once the right species is chosen. Plant it in well-draining soil where it receives plenty of sunlight and consistent moisture during the establishment period. Mulching helps retain soil moisture while protecting the roots from extreme temperatures. Clumping bamboo varieties are easier to manage in home gardens, while running species may require root barriers to prevent unwanted spreading. Occasional pruning removes old or damaged culms, allowing new shoots to flourish. With minimal care, bamboo can remain healthy and productive for generations. Harvesting bamboo requires both patience and timing. New shoots grow incredibly quickly, but the culms should usually be allowed to mature for 3 to 5 years before being cut for construction or furniture. At this stage, the stems have reached their maximum strength and durability. Harvesting is typically done using sharp saws or pruning tools, cutting the culm close to ground level without disturbing the underground rhizomes. This allows fresh shoots to emerge naturally, making bamboo one of the most sustainable building materials on the planet. When harvested responsibly, a bamboo grove can continue producing new culms year after year without the need for replanting. Bamboo isn't just the fastest growing plant on Earth. It is proof that speed and strength can exist together. For thousands of years, it has sheltered families, inspired cultures, protected landscapes, and provided sustainable materials for countless generations. Its flexibility teaches us that resilience isn't about resisting change. It's about adapting to it. Perhaps that's why bamboo continues to stand tall as one of nature's greatest wonders. Sometimes, the strongest things in life aren't the ones that never bend. They're the ones that always rise again. What plant would you like us to explore next? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want to discover more fascinating stories from the plant kingdom, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.